How to use AutoFilter in MS Excel. So guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use autofilters in MS Excel. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your MS Excel. So after you open up your MS Excel, so let's say this is my table right here. Now what you'll want to do here is I've already added the filters, as you can see. So what you can do to add this is first select the top row, and after you do that, here you will see this sort and filter option. Tap on it. Now let me remove my filter so I can show you how to do it again. So select these and tap on this sort and filter, and then tap on filter. Now as you can see, a small drop down button will be added in the sides. Let me zoom in here. So there we go. So now what you will need to do here to add filters is if you want to simply filter this by saying you want males. So let's say that you want misters. So if you want that, simply tap on this drop down menu on the name option. And after you do that, here you'll see text filters. Select text filters. And here let's head over to begins with, since all of our names currently have misters here. So I'll just select begins with. So tap on begins with and simply type in Mr. and tap on OK. So that will change this to just showing us males. So now you can use this feature to actually type in the gender male. And after you do that, you can simply drag it here. After you do that, you can then remove the filter. So remove the text filter. Let me remove this here. So now do the same with female as well. You can do that with female. So yeah, that's basically how you do it. So yeah, why not? Let's do that here. So first let's clear our name here. And as you can see now, our male has this gender sorted. Now let's do it for the females as well. So go to begins with, type in Mrs. or Miss, tap on OK, and it will show us the females. Now you can type in female here and simply copy this like this, and then finally remove the filter. And with that, that is how you can use auto filters on your MS Excel. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.